Hello everyone. Now we continue our concept linear programming problem. Solve the linear programming problem by using the graphical method. By using the graphical method, you have to solve the linear programming problems here. Now onwards, we'll discuss this one. Example 1. First of all, first problem. Example 1. Solve the following linear programming problem. LPP is nothing but linear programming problem. Graphically, maximize z equal to 4x plus y. Maximize z equal to 4x plus y. You have to maximum value find the you have to find the maximum value of z. Subject to constraints. X plus y is less than or equal to 0. 3x plus y is less than or equal to 90. 50 and 90. X is greater than or equal to 0. Y is greater than or equal to 0. These two are called non-negative constraints. In introduction also we discussed these two are non-negative constraints. The x and y values compulsory positive or equal to 0. That is mentioned by these two inequalities. These two linear inequalities. We will use most probably these two inequalities. Last step we'll use the maximize z. So now how to solve this problem? So first of all, points wise I'll write here. First point is conversion. First point is conversion. What we have to convert? We have to convert the linear inequalities into equations. So now you take inequalities x plus y less than or equal to z equal conversion. Convert into equations. Inequalities convert into equations. 3x plus y is equal to 90. 3x plus y equal to 90. So now equation conversion completed. After that, draw the box here. Draw the one box. Write down x and y. Substitute x equal to 0. Substitute x equal to 0. If you are substituting x equal to 0 in this equation, y equal to how much you will get? 50. Write down downside. X equal to 0, y equal to 50, and y equal to 0 substitute. Y equal to 0 substitute. X equal to also 50. Y equal to 0 if you are substituting. X equal to 50 you are getting. So the points are here. 0 comma 50 is a 1 point and 50 comma 0. 0 comma 50. Vertical only how to write. 0 comma 50. 50 comma 0 is another points. So now 2 points you got here. The 2 points based. These 2 points based. You have to start the graph first. So graph here. Take the graph. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. So now this point we know already. This is O0 comma 0 point. Based upon these numbers here, if we are taking 1, 2, 3 graph not enough for total numbers 1 to 50. So that purpose 50 is the highest value here. So that purpose I'll take here 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. This side also 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. 100 up to 100. How many you can write? That many you can write here. So now completed. Here scale is important here. So second point take as a scale. Scale. X axis 1 centimeter 1 centimeter equal to 10 units we are taking. Y axis taking as a 1 centimeter equal to 10 units. 10 units we took here. So now you plot these 2 points 0 comma 50, 50 comma 0. X is 0, Y is 50. X is 0, Y is 50. This is a point here. So this point is 0 comma 50. Next one 50 comma 0. 50 comma 0 point here. So this point is 50 comma 0. 50 comma 0. So now you join these 2 points by the line. By the lines. So now shading region we have to find here. Shading region. Shading region. Third point is shading. Shading region. Shading region. So first inequality. X plus Y is less than or equal to 50. Put 0 comma 0. Any point we can take. This is easy. So that's why 0 comma 0 substitute here. 0 plus 0 is less than or equal to 50. 0 is less than or equal to 50. True condition exists. So 0 comma 0. Shading towards 0 comma 0 or including 0 comma 0. So the shading including 0 comma 0. Shading how to make here. So next first equation, first line we drawn and shading also completed. So now we will continue with the second equation. Second equation, same to same you have to draw the box here. X and Y. X equal to 0 if you are substituting. X equal to 0, Y equal to 90 you will get. Next Y equal to 0 substitute. 3x equal to 90. 3x equal to 90 means x equal to 30. So now the points are here. Now the points 0 comma 90 is a 1 point. 30 comma 0 is another point. So now you plot these 2 points in the graph. Already scale we wrote 0 comma 90. 0 comma 90 here. 0 comma 90. This point is 0 comma 90. And 30 comma 0. 30 comma 0 is this point. So now you join these 2 points by the line. So this is a line equation. We can write here 3x plus y equal to 90 and this one is x plus y equal to 50. The 2 line equations that are. So now shading region purpose. How to find the shading region? Already shading region one method is there. Take the inequality, put any point. I am taking 0 comma 0. 0 plus 0 is less than or equal to 90. 0 is less than or equal to 90. So it is true condition. True condition is there including 0 comma 0. Otherwise simple one more method is there. Less than or equal to is there. You have to shade towards 0 comma 0. R is in. Towards R is in. If greater than or equal 0, greater than or equal to is there in question inequality, above the line excluding the 0 comma 0. So here including the 0 comma 0 we have to take here. So draw the shading. So this is the shading region. So now intersection point is there here. One intersection point of first line and second line. So if you are taking proper graph, and graph if you are drawing by seeing this point 20, this point is actually, this is not perfect diagram. If you are proper drawing 20 comma 30, you will get 20 comma 30 is this point. Sir, how to remember this one means, now you can roughly you can make this one. Two equations is there. Two equations solve. X plus y equal to 50, 3x plus y equal to 90. Subtraction making. So minus 2x equal to minus 40. X equal to 20. X equal to 20 substitute here. Y equal to 30 you will get. By this one also we can conclude that one, that intersection point is 20 comma 30. By the graph, if we are drawing proper graph, by the graph direct also we can take 20 and 30. Here 30 you will get actually. But this is a rough diagram. We are not measuring properly here. If we are doing a graph paper properly, you will get the 20 comma 30 correct point, that one. If not getting, you can use this method to find the intersection point. So this way you have to check that one, that point is correct or wrong. By using this concept we can check that one. So now, what is the common region for total constraints? These two completed. These two, x is greater than or equal 0, y is greater than or equal 0. You can observe common region means this total region you will get. This total region. You can observe here blue color lines and red color lines combination is there. So common region. So this total. But x is greater than or equal 0, y is greater than or equal 0 means only first quadrant. X positive and y positive in first quadrant. So only you have to take first quadrant common region. First quadrant common region is, I am changing this lines common region purpose. So this is the common region in first quadrant. So I am making this one as a black. This is the common region bounded by the all constraints. So this is called feasible region. Feasible region. Feasible region. Now you have to find the solution, optimal solution, corner points. What are the corner points? Boundary points. Corner points of the feasible region is this one naming as a O, and this is also one is a corner point, this one naming as a, this one naming as a B, and one more corner point, this one is a corner point. So this point is C. So now you can write here feasible region. I am writing very small here. Feasible region. So now optimal solution, otherwise corner points. You can write here point number 4, corner points of feasible region 0, 0 and point A is 30, 0, B 20, 30 and C 0, 50. These are the corner points. Now fifth point is optimal solution. Optimal solution purpose, draw one box here. Draw the box. Corner points. Here z equal to 4x plus y. So what are the corner points here? O is 0, 0 and A is 30, 0. B is 20, 30. C is 0, 50. So now substitute in place of x. First one is x, second one is y. If we are substituting x equal to 0 plus 0 is 0. Z equal to 4 into 30 plus 0. 4 into 30 plus 0. So now what you'll get here? What you'll get? 4 3s are 12. Next one, z equal to 40 into x plus 20, y plus 30. If you are substituting, 80 plus 30 is 110. 110. Z equal to 0 substitute in place of x plus 50. That value is 50. So question what? Question is maximize z. Which is the maximum here? So you have to write here maximize, maximum. So final conclusion is important. This is rough work. This is rough work. You no need to write in this graph. Just roughly you can write. So final conclusion is therefore the maximum z, maximum value of z equal to 120 at point 120. Sorry, at point 20, at point 30, 0. So this is the way of finding the graph. So you have to make this total shade black, complete black. That is called a feasible region. So this carries the 6 marks in PU final exams. So pause the video to note it down. Now see the another problem. Example number 2. Solve the following LPP, linear programming problem. Graphically minimize. Previous problem maximize. Now this problem is minimize z equal to 200x plus 500y. That means here minimum value of z we have to find. Subject to two constraints. STC means subject to two constraints. X plus 2y is greater than or equal 0. Previous 2 less than or equal the given. Here greater than or equal to 10. 3x plus 4y is less than or equal to 24. These two are non-negative constraints. By this one, you have to take the only common region in first quadrant. That meaning this one, only our region is lies in first quadrant. So now you see the problem solution, same to same here. Solution, first one, conversion. So this total writing part, graph having two sides. One is graph sheet, another side is total lines will be there. In that lines part only how to write this total. Only graph in that green side, green shading side is how to do. Conversion. First of all, inequations convert into equations. Equal to 24. So draw the box. Here also draw the box. We can make immediately. So what are the points here? X, Y. X, Y. Substitute x equal to 0 in this equation. X equal to 0. 2y equal to 10. 2y equal to 10 means y value is 5. 2y equal to 10, y value is 5. Y value substitute 0. Y value substitute 0. X equal to 10 you will get. X equal to 10. Immediately you simplify this also. Why? Because graph scale making purpose it will be easy. So first of all I will write this point 0, 5 and 10, 0 is another point. So now here x equal to 0, 4y equal to 24. 4y equal to 24. y equal to 4 6 the 24, so 0 comma 6, and y equal to 0, 3x equal to 24, 3x equal to 24 means x equal to 8. So point is 0 comma 6 and 8 comma 0. You have to write always vertically 0 comma 6 and 8 comma 0. So points, all numbers you observe here, number highest number is 10 is there. So I'll take the scale here. Scale x-axis and y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. So now draw the graph here. Straight you have to draw. In the graph sheet you can draw that one. So this point is origin 0 comma 0, and this is the x-axis, this is y-axis. Each one number carries each one unit. Box will be there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 10 10 I took here, 1 centimeter taking as a 1 unit. So now after this one, what we have to make, shading also will complete first. Shading region, point number 3. Shading region purpose, this one. This one also no need to write, by the seeing also you can write this one. Shading region. Shading region purpose, first inequation I'll take. First inequation we have to take. X plus 2y, x plus 2y greater than or equal to 10. Put 0 comma 0 in this one. 0 plus 0 is greater than or equal to 10. False statement. Statement is false. So now this side also 3x plus 4y, another inequation. Put 0 comma 0. 0 plus 0 is less than or equal to 24. This is true. True is there including 0 comma 0. Otherwise towards 0 comma 0. False means excluding 0 comma 0. Excluding 0 comma 0 means above the line, below the line. This one we can term as a different ways here. So now first of all, only first equation I'll plot in that graph. 0 comma 5. X is 0, y is 5. X is 0, y is 5 here. That point is 0 comma 5. Next 10 comma 0. X axis value is 10, y value is 0. Here that point. So this point is 10 comma 0. Now you join the 2 points. So this line equation is x plus 2y equal to 10. So now shading region, false statement excluding 0 comma 0. If you are making downside, it will including 0 comma 0, excluding, above the line otherwise. Above the line you have to shade. Next one, points 0 comma 6. X is 0, y is 6. This point is that one. So this point naming as a 0 comma 6. Next one, 8 comma 0. X axis value is 8 comma 0. So this point is 0 comma 8. Now you join these 2 points. This line equation is 3x plus 4y equal to 24. 3x plus 4y equal to 24. True condition is there, including 0 comma 0, including, otherwise towards 0 comma 0. Towards 0 comma 0, you have to shade the region. Shading region. So what is the common region? Common region means this total you will get this side extension. But this condition is there only in first quadrant. Common region for both. Common region for both. I am shading with black. So common region. That is a common region for both. This is called feasible region. Feasible region. So what is the boundary here? Boundary is so what are the corner points? Corner points is 0 comma 5 and this is also one corner point 0 comma 6 and the intersection point. This point we have to find. If you are drawing proper graph, by the x-axis x value, by the y-axis y value you will get. But this is not proper diagram. So that's why simplify the two equations. Simplify the two equations. So first equation, second equation, 3x plus 4y equal to 24. Here this equation is x is there, multiply with 3. So 3x plus 3 to the 6y equal to 10 into 3, that is 30. General simplification, we know that one. Minus, minus, minus. Cancellation. Minus 2y equal to minus 6. Cancel. Y equal to 3. Y equal to 3. Substitute here. X plus 6 equal to 10. X equal to 3 substitution. X equal to 4 you will get. X equal to 4. The point is 4 comma 3. So this is also one corner point. This corner points I am naming as A. A is a one corner point and B is another corner point. This one naming as a C. The three corner points are. So now you have to write the fourth point. Fourth point. The corner points, direct I am writing CPs, corner points of feasible region. Feasible region. You observe this feasible region is bounded by the all lines. Unbounded feasible regions also there. This is a bounded feasible region. Point A is 0 comma 5 and point B is 4 comma 3 and point C is 0 comma 6. Next fifth point, our fifth point, optimal solution. Optimal solution. Optimal solution purpose, draw one box. Corner points and z equal to 200x plus 500y. So what are the corner points here? Corner points are A is 0 comma 5 and B is 4 comma 3, C is 0 comma 6. So now substitute the values in that x place and y place. Z equal to, substitute 0 plus 5 5s are 2500, that is 2500. Z equal to 4 2s are 8, x plus 4 substitute multiply, 800 plus 5 3s are 1500. So this is 2300 unit. Z equal to 0. 0 means 0 only. 6 5s are 30. 3000. So what is asking, what question is minimize, minimum value. Minimum value is this one. minimum. So final conclusion we have to write. Therefore, the minimum value of Z is 2300 at the point 4, 3. At the point 4, 3. Greater than or equal to Z, there means above you will get compulsory. Less than or equal to is the below you will get the shading region. Above the line, below the line. Simple. Otherwise, you can by using this concept also. By using this concept and this corner point, this intersection point compulsory you have to find by the graph. Otherwise, this method also you can write. This is rough work, just checking purpose. Here this is not proper graph, so that's why I am doing that work. If you are doing proper graph, direct you will get that one. So pause the video to note it down. Now exercise problem number 1. Solution. First point hours conversion. So same question is solve the following linear programming problem by the graphical using the graphical method. So conversion here, only one constraint is there. These two are non-negative constraints. That is in first quadrant purpose. So just you take first inequality as a equation. So draw the box. Take the x value 0, y value is 4. Y value 0, x value is 4. So now the points are 0, 4, 4, 0. 4, 0. So another equation not there, so leave it there only. So next, second point, scale. Scale, x-axis 1 centimeter, y-axis 1 centimeter equal to, how many units? 1 is there, so 1 unit I am taking. So less value is there, you have to take only 1 unit. By these points we have to change that one. Graph it is sufficient means less numbers you have to take. Previously 50, 90 is there, 1 if you are writing, it is not possible. That time you have to take 10, 10 or 5, 5. 1 box equal to 1 centimeter equal to 5 units also. Here 1 unit enough. Next, so draw the graph here. Here simple graph is there. This point is O 0, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. So plot the point 0, 4. X is 0, y is 4. 0, 4. So join these 2 points by the line. This is x plus y equal to 4 line. X plus y equal to 4. So now shading region, third point is shading region. Shading region. Take the inequality x plus y is less than or equal to 4. Put 0, 0. Implies 0 plus 0 is less than or equal to 4. That is true condition. So true condition is the shading region including 0, 0. Now fourth point. Corner points of feasible region. So what is the feasible region? And this constraints is there only first quadrant, shading region. So this is the feasible region. So corner points, what are the corner points here? Here this point also one corner point, 4, 0. B is 0, 4 is the one corner point. O is 0, 0. Region 0, 0. A is 4, 0. B is 0, 4. Corner points completed. Optimal solution. Fifth point. Optimal solution optimal solution. Take the box, corner points 0, 0, A point is 4, 0, B point is 0, 4. So now substitute. What is the z here? Z is equal to the given 3x plus 4y. Substitute. If you are substituting any value in this 0, 0, z value is 0 only. So next here z value is 4 3s are 12 plus 0 is 12. Z equal to 0 plus 4 4s are 16 equal to 16. So what is the question? Maximize. Maximum value is. So this is a maximum. Maximum. Therefore, the maximum value is 16 at 0.0, 4. So this is only maximum or minimum value is called a optimal solution. So optimal solution is 16 at 0, 4, 0, 4. So next problem number 2 I displayed there. Minimize you have to find. Minimize, similar problem that is also. But problem number 2 take as a homework. Pause the video to note it.